3D presentation, animation and modeling of medieval Agsu town. Archaeological expedition on target. Wide-scale archaeological explorations have been studied in medieval Agsu town on the basis of joint project of Institute of Archaeology and Ethnography of National Academy of Sciences of Azerbaijan and National Museum of History of Azerbaijan in initiative of MIRA's social organization since 2010 March. Many building ruins are fixed in upper side of cultural layer during the research. They are mainly ruins of building made of river stones. The ruins of streets and square, planked with stone and covered wide area and displayed in some sites are very interesting from aspect of study of renovation and town building problems more comprehensively. Found objects studied. Archaeological excavations in medieval Agsu town, their outcomes, as well as importance of the city for medieval Azerbaijan and interesting artifacts are interesting, not only for historians and archaeologists, but also those engaged in audiovisual art. 3D procedure of medieval Agsu town was launched with study of Shirvan architecture style of the town, preparation of textures over current samples, research of medieval urban architecture philosophy and current experience in 3D application in archaeological excavations. Buildings concerned the same period with those revealed during archaeological excavations and existent nowadays were controlled. There are also such buildings in Old Lahuj village not far from Agsu town. Agsu and Lahuj were built by masters of the same art school. Most houses, squares, bathroom, mosque, fortress wall, and handicraft estates and other buildings are in Lahuj architectural samples. Skates for 3D solutions. A 3D solution of the results of archaeological expedition is implemented for the first time in Azerbaijan. However, these were not the result of the expedition, but 3D visualization of large houses, studios and handicraft estates of the town. Artists and 3D engineers inspected the structures of medieval houses and public buildings in preparation of models of architectural samples. Existence of different houses, similar to these buildings nowadays served sketches for these models. Firstly, the sketches were prepared before 3D model of various buildings. Texture of the used materials were made on the current buildings, locations of squares, main streets, markets, and caravanserais was considered during elaboration of the urban architecture. Structure of the buildings and ruins from archaeological excavations are studied considering the city's center being market, caravanserai and mosques in medieval Muslim city. Elaboration and textures of models. Houses, mosque, bath complex, handicraft estate of medieval Agsu town are visualized separately, along with sketches made on the basis of observations during 3D recover, personal hypothesis of founders. Various creative approaches and technical solutions were implemented. The practice of 3D recovery created opportunity for achievement of more successful solutions. Medieval Islamic architectural elements are used in the mosque's elaboration and intended to be built from local construction materials. The views of the mosque was used in 3D restoration of the mosque. 56 columns displayed from Agsu mosques say that these mosques have the same architectural style. Upon preparing the mosque's 3D model, Flash solution able to observe 36 panoramic was done together with video description. The bath complex was prepared based on building ruins displayed during archaeological excavations and textures done. Handicraft estate was the center of widely known arts in medieval Shirvan cities. The remnants revealed during archaeological excavation and present buildings are applied for 3D of blacksmith, mint shop, tailors, tendirs and other studios. New 3D solutions. Success and experience achieved in 3D recovery of architectural monuments revealed as a result of Agsu expedition is applied in other archaeological expeditions of the country presently. As far as experience grows, wider opportunities as well as mobile solutions of broad auditorium of 3D solution are made.